Good afternoon, this is CryptoHack with your weekly crypto rundown inside the crypto space. We have many top stories coming to you this week, starting with the crypto market taking a 40% dive leading up to the weekend of Christmas. This is a normal market correction which seems to happen every quarter, where investors are wanting to take profits off of the bullish run that Bitcoin has been seeing and many altcoins have experienced this year. And especially with Christmas being around the corner, this was to be expected, with many people wanting to use their newfound profits to buy presents and gifts for their loved ones. Many leading analysts are already predicting a heavy bull run leading into January of next year. Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash went head to head on the eve of the announcement from Coinbase of Bitcoin Cash being added to their platform. Right before it was announced, the market saw very strange trades occurring, where in a matter of seconds, $36 billion was taken off the market in the early AM. Could this be from the hackers that stole from the South Korean Bitcoin exchange Ubit, cashing in right after their plunder? Many have even cited that the hackers could possibly be from North Korea, but nothing has been confirmed as of yet. Other conspiracy theorists point to Roger Ver and the proponents of Bitcoin Cash, who seem to be colluding with Coinbase prior to their announcement of it being added to their platform. The creator of Bitcoin Cash, Roger Ver, being a well-known anti-Bitcoin advocate, was ironically also one of the founders of Bitcoin.com, along with his other co-founder from Sweden, Emil Oldenburg. Coincidentally, Emil shared a story that went viral that very same morning of how he sold all his Bitcoin and traded it all in for Bitcoin Cash. He was quoted in the article as saying, "Bitcoin is virtually useless. As soon as people realize that this is how it works, they will start to sell." This story, coupled with CNBC Fast Money shilling BCash on their Twitter feed that morning, and the sudden rise of Bitcoin Cash shares rising dramatically right before the Coinbase announcement, has led many to believe that there was heavy market manipulation going on, if not even insider trading. Coinbase is currently conducting their own investigation, and we hope to see an update on that further into the next week. Moving along, VeChain has just signed a major deal with China, which is being used to help build a new smart city in the new area of Guan in southwest China. According to the plan, China will spend a tremendous amount of resources into the development of cutting-edge information technology, including 5G wireless systems, IPv6, smart manufacturing, cloud computing, IoT, and blockchain technology. This is great news for those that were worried about China's stance on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, being that just recently China had banned all ICOs from starting inside of China's mainland. Some more news in technology. SingularityNet just recently finished its ICO, raising $36 million in 60 seconds, completely selling out of its AGI tokens. SingularityNet is famous for having the world's first AI citizen from Saudi Arabia, Sophia. Sophia is listed under SingularityNet's team as its chief humanoid officer. Their plans are to create a decentralized marketplace of AIs, where each AI can interact with one another and pay one another as needed to solve customers' problems. Skynet, anyone? In other news, Charlie Lee, Litecoin's creator and founder, has recently sold all of his coins and has donated most of it to charity. While this seems to be a quite generous move, Litecoin holders have been seen having mixed feelings about it. Many have criticized Charlie in the past for his off-the-wall tweets, but this new decision coming from Charlie, even if having the utmost good of intentions, has many believing that he has lost confidence in his brand. Charlie, for the sake of your Litecoin holders, maybe lay off the tweeting for a while. So this brings us to our next news segment, the top performers of the week. Verge, still holding strong amidst the chaos and panic, what many are calling the Black Friday market crash of 2017, was one of the few altcoins from the top 100 that was able to remain in the green among a sea of red. Another top 100 coin, Electroneum, was able to hold strong and stay in the green as well. This could be partly from the boost that John McAfee gave it the other day as the first coin to be mentioned in his planned daily tweets of altcoins that people should be more aware of. After his initial tweet, the coin soared to a high of 750 satoshis, but the rise abruptly ended with a massive sell-off from presumably a large whale, dropping it back down to around 615. But since then, the coin has been seeing a steady increase, stabilizing around the 675 mark. Electroneum has been having a hard time rising because of its only marketplace being listed on Cryptopia, a small exchange from New Zealand. ETN is currently being petitioned to be listed on Bittrex and KuCoin, a new South Korean coin exchange. The second coin McAfee has tweeted about is called Burst. Burst was officially introduced on the 10th of August in 2014 with the goal of solving other cryptocurrencies' biggest problems: lack of decentralization, waste of energy, unfair releases, supremacy of big miners and corporations. It is the first and only cryptocurrency secured by the proof of capacity algorithm. According to Burst's own website, the critical difference between proof of work and Burst's proof of capacity is that instead of needing ever more expensive, power-hungry processors and graphic graphic cards. It uses inexpensive low-power hard drives. Proof of capacity is inherently more secure, and trim versions of the blockchain are easier and more secure as well. The other big advantage for proof of capacity is its mining feature, working like a built-in coin faucet in the form of hard drives that allow anyone to earn free coins in exchange for providing extra security for the network. So we will be sure to add Burst to our altcoin watch list, along with Electroneum and Verge, and keep an eye on their progress for the next few months. It will be sure interesting to see how much they have grown by the end of next year. And seeing as almost every crypto took a hit this week, we will refrain from showcasing the biggest losers of the week. So be sure to like and subscribe to receive even more news coming to you every week from our weekly show, The Crypto Rundown. And this will end our broadcast from the crypto space. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you all next week on New Year's Eve. As for everything else in crypto, this is CryptoHack from your favorite crypto news channel signing off. Take care, everyone.